Good morning, good morning, good morning, my friends. How are you today? Here we go with another just absolutely magnificent day here in the Baja. Uh, Beautiful early morning. You can see the pink in the sky and the ocean calm. And gee, what are you grateful for today? I'm grateful to be able to stand out here and look at the ocean. What a beautiful day. And you know, some people might say I'm lucky. No, this isn't luck. What I consider to be lucky is that I was born into white Anglo-Saxon America. Maybe I should just say born into America because white Anglo-Saxon sounds a little bit like racism. It's, a lot of people are being accused of these days, which is really silly. But I should be careful what I say. At any rate, good morning, Laurel. Nice to see you. So the luck is that I was born into a country that allows us the opportunity to do the things that we want to do. It allows us the freedoms to live our life the way, to a great extent, the way we want to. And that brings me to today's question: how do you feel? Do you think about, as you get older, you think about how are you going to take care of yourself? What are you going to do if you get sick? I think about this. As many of you know, my wife died about 15 years ago now. I'm still single. And so I don't have anybody. I live alone. My kids are hundreds of miles away, and I sure as heck don't want to rely on them for taking care of me as I get older. So one of the things that people worry about, at least I worry about, and I think many people do as we age, we think about things like, well, am I going to end up in a rest home? Where am I going to end up? What happens if I have a stroke? Who's going to help me? Is anybody going to help me? And so I think it's imperative as we grow older that we take care of our health because it's the one critical thing. Without it, nothing else matters. We can have all the money in the world. If we're sick, we can't get out of bed, but the only thing we can do with our money is spend it on the doctors. Uh, Having money, having wealth, doesn't help us if we're sick. So taking care of ourselves, Yashpal, good morning, taking care of ourselves as we age is increasingly important. And it means eating right, it means getting exercise. We know what it means. A lot of us ignore it. We put it off. We look around us and we see other people getting sick, but we don't think it'll happen to us. We think we're invincible until we get hit with the magic bullet that takes us down. So if you're listening to this today, consider the following. Are you doing everything you can to take care of yourself so that you can take care of yourself as you get older? That's the question. That's the critical question. Are you taking care of your health? Hey, that's all for today. This is Len. I hope you're going to have a wonderful day as usual. I intend to be happy. I hope you do too. It's a choice. And if you noticed my eyes were looking away, it's because I was watching my dog. She was distracting me. She's laying over there. Well, there she is. She was just scratching her back a moment ago. Kikyo, good morning. Hi, Kikyo. There she is. Kikyo. Anyway, I hope you're going to have a wonderful day as usual. I intend to be happy. I hope you do too. It's a choice. And remember, the happier you are, the more happy the universe can bring you. That's the law of attraction. And be compassionate. The world needs a lot more of that these days. All right, my friends, you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.